I am Jason David Scott. I am the Associate Director of the Sidney Poitier New American Film School, and I am also an Associate Professor.
My name is Ryan Pottle. I'm the Audio Systems Technical Director for the Mix Center.
My name is Andrew Bayonne, and I am the Communications Program Coordinator for the Mix Center.
I'm Rodrigo Meirelles. I'm a professor here at the Poitier Film School. I teach sound.
The technology that will be available for use for the students will be unlike anything anyone has ever seen before. Students will get firsthand access to equipment that is the production Hollywood standard. It's just a great time for students to be exposed to the industry and what they will see as they move forward with their careers.
We always wanted to be sure our students were encountering the most cutting-edge digital technology, whether that's a new kind of camera, a new kind of software platform, or an industry standard software platform like Avid Media Composer or Avid Pro Tools. So that's not something that's new for us. What is new is we now have the amount of equipment and the amount of space to make that happen at scale.
In production, we have 4 sound stages where we can practice all the on-set audio matters, and also in post-production, especially, we have opportunities to do sound for streaming platforms, for theatrical release, and in immersive formats. This room where we are, we have options to mix and produce in Dolby Atmos, which is currently an industry standard.
I actually graduated from the Sidney Poitier New American Film School in spring 2021 as a film and media production major with a concentration in producing. During my time, I definitely wish I had access to some of the equipment and the sound spaces that the students currently have access to. What's great moving forward is that we get to see students be in this environment and grow on the spot from when they start their college career all the way to the end when they finish up with their capstones.
It's amazing that students have access to a facility that allows them to hit cutting edge, almost Hollywood level production. If I had a space like this, I feel like I'd be so much further ahead in my process. I would be a better artist, a better designer, only just from exposure. And the fact that students get to have exposure to all of this equipment in a space is truly remarkable.
We have a student, Campbell Gregory. She applied to the Audio Engineering Society's student recording competition in the audio for visual media category, and she won the gold medal. And she did in Dolby Atmos, and actually all the students did this assignment in Dolby Atmos using, these immersive spaces.
We're already seeing collaborations with artists that otherwise would never put the city of Mesa on a map.
Hollywood is in our backyard now in Arizona. You can literally, from pre-production all the way to post-production, make a Hollywood level film. The sound stages, the editing bays, the professional screening theaters, everything in between. It's all right here in one area.
I think some of the coolest things that we've already started doing is create a name for ourselves and create a world for our students to create the art and the stories that they want to tell.